Oh man, these blanket dumplings smell incredible. If you guys been wondering how to make these things, stick around. We got you an easy little recipe today. Here, whoops. Man, these smell amazing. If you guys checked out the blanket dumplings yet, I'm gonna show you how to make them today. Easy little recipe. Did our own little spin on them. Come check this out. Look at that, friends. Amazing blanket dumplings. Brown the bottom a little bit, and then you steam them. Get a little bit of the Marin, a little bit of the soy sauce, and have some delicious meals or appetizers. All right, you guys, it's a pretty simple recipe. All you need is a little bit of the ground pork, ground chicken, got some veggies, some random stuff. The ginger makes a huge difference. Just stick around, we'll show you how it's made. First, we want to mince up our green onions and then our carrots. We're going to use about 80% of the green onions in the filling, and then we'll garnish with the other 20%. All right, so we got our meat all formed up over here, but the Walmart that we went to, they did not have wonton wrappers. They had the egg roll wrappers, which are square. So what we're gonna do is we got a little cup over here measurement. We're just gonna press some out of here, you know, gotta make do with what we got. Stick around, we'll show you what's up. All right, you guys, we got our blanket dumplings all made up. So now we're gonna throw them in a pan with a little bit of oil and we're gonna steam them. We made a little bit of a waste for these egg roll wrappers, but what we can do with those is we can coat them a little bit of butter, cinnamon, and then we could make some delicious cinnamon twists with an air fryer. Stick around, we're gonna show you how this is made. All right, you guys, all done. Got our blanket dumplings. Not gonna lie, it was a little challenging. The biggest part for me that was the hardest was keeping the blankets on when you're pulling them off. I guess it doesn't really matter too much though. But check this out. Oh yeah, delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of Marin on here, a little bit of soy sauce. This stuff's pretty sweet, so you gotta be careful. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Oh yeah, you guys, check that out. Mmm.